Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm drawing the winner for my last DoubleClick Connect challenge from November to December 2024. Before I select a winner, I would just like to say thank you all so much for your continued support of my small dewdrop business. I started selling my dewdrops on my blog back in 2013 and started hosting challenges on my YouTube channel in 2023. I have released hundreds of colors over the years and have enjoyed making them, using them, and sharing them. Moving into 2025, I decided to discontinue my DoubleClick Connect challenge. I appreciate everyone that has taken the time to enter my challenges and share their projects with me. Thank you all so very much. I will continue to have releases to coordinate with the holidays and for special occasions. I do still have several sets of my Ho 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 2024 Christmas collection. That's what you see right here. If you're interested, please feel free to reach out for me for purchase, or you can visit my Etsy shop. They are $5. This set comes with the Rudolph red, the Grinch green, and the Snowball white, and then you can pick between the silver bells and the golden goose. My Etsy shop is linked down below. I also enjoy making special requested colors. Please feel free to message me if you are looking for a specific color. If you do use my dewdrops on your projects, please tag me in your post. I will be randomly selecting tags for a baggie of free dewdrops throughout the year. Let's select our winner for the month of November and December 2024. This was the prize. It was some of my Halloween colors. For this challenge, we had 3 entries, Marissa, Laura, and Diana. Let's go ahead. I'm going to break from here and use my laptop to pick a random winner. Okay, we had 3 entries for the November-December challenge. I have my random generator up here. I'm going to do 1 through 3 and hit generate. And that number is 2. And number 2 is Laura's Plans and Crafts. Congratulations, Laura. I actually have something else going out to you in the mail, so I will add this prize. This was the November-December prize for my DoubleClick Connect Dewdrop Challenge. I will have this in your package as well. And that winner was Laura. Congrats, Laura. I will get these in the mail to you. I would just like to thank you all so much for your continued support. My goal this year is to find a good balance between family, work, and YouTube. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.